Alright, so the time has come to install the windows. It's pretty straightforward from what I saw. You want to make sure that the condor strip is straightened out and legible. That's how you know you're in the right face. And then we're going to go ahead and just peel this off, because you're going to need to move the back side, or technically the front side, so you move the back side. So in my case, my doors are gutted, so it's pretty straightforward. So you're just gonna get them into the guides and then just pull up. All right, so the glass is in, or the polycarbonate is in, and now the next thing is putting the pins. Now, I've seen the pins mostly installed on the outside for some reason. I'm assuming it's so that people can get you out or whatever, but I'm gonna install mine on the inside, just so that. All right, so I suspect that this was done already, because there's a groove here already that I didn't make, so. Let's go ahead and finish pushing this pin in. All right, so both pins are in. So the glass is very securely installed. So step one is you're gonna grab these screws, these bolts, and a washer. You're gonna insert them from this side out. According to the instructions, the sharper edge should be to the front here. All right, so it wouldn't go on the bottom, so it only goes on the top. So I turned it around with the sharper edge onto the back, like this side. Gently and delicately, because it does go in snug. Turn the screwdriver a little bit just to feed the kind of threads in automatically. So start pinning this off. Alright, so this had a lot of residue. What you have to do is use some of this, like a WD-40 lubricant, and that'll help you get it all out and nice and crystal clear. Alright, so there is an orientation here. These plastic parts, they belong in a certain way. So just make sure you take your time, because it's gonna get frustrating and you don't want to damage this. So you have to be very delicate when you're screwing everything in. Right, so now I'm putting the final piece on here, and that's how you install one of these windows here.